Hey, my POV at 3 a.m. to DLSUD. Yo, I'm Kian. I would be waiting for our tour bus. Here it is. I got the window seat again. I still prefer this side because of the view. Several minutes later, we've arrived to our nearest destination. Breakfast at Jollibee Super Meal. Just a quick face check. Got a water bottle. And we're good. Now we resume our long drive towards one of the historical provinces here at the Philippines, to Pampanga. Just dropped off sa gilid ng daan.
Welcome po sa City of Angeles, Pampanga. My name is Jonel. I'm a regional tour guide in the region of Central Luzon. Later on, we will be giving you more information pagka mas steady na tayo.
Currently, we're inside the Holy Rosary Parish Church of Angeles City.
While praying for Apo Makalulu, he was supposedly to be shot dito sa likod ng simbahan, but by simply praying to the Santo Encero,
Promise, ipapakilala ko kayo sa mag-asawa kay Don Angel Pantaleon de Miranda at Rosalia de Jesus.
Located there. Nandito. So, hindi sila buhay nung natayo yung simbahan. Eleksyon yung mga buto nila, inilipat sa simbahan.
Oo.
Dito si
Ano yun? We're here to be guided on the inside of Center for Kapampangan Studies. It's filled with old illustrations, writings, and artifacts that are collections for the university. Moreover, did you know Pampanga is the second oldest province in the Philippines? Crazy, right? Didn't know that. I think we're here. Pinatubo Museum is an extinct volcano, right? Yeah. Since Mount Pinatubo isn't active anymore, that's why people mistakenly thought Mount Pinatubo was always a mountain. Volcanic rocks.
Museum na to is based to artwork. So the first artwork is called Tinggang Glass Apong na Mayari or the Revenge of Apong na Mayari. Isa siyang god na pinaniniwalaan kung saan ginagawa niya yung mga kaluluwa ng mga taong namatay yung sumakot yung pinatubo.
so actually, ang nag-create ng app na yan ay si Aaron sa kanyang panaginip.
Angel Airlines is their tourism aspect to enhance skills through immersive experiences at an airplane. HRM Kitchen Laboratory is one of their culinary aspects of executing a skill while being immersed inside a kitchen. What? 2,970 years old tree? Anyway, thank you Holy Angel University. It's near noontime and we are arriving at Mila's Tokwa Baboy restaurant established year 1987. I know that sisig is Pampanga's iconic dish, so I bought Boromir special ice cream. It was worth it. Here at Park Inn, we will be having a seminar inside this hotel. Paper and pencil for notes. All is good.
Sabi ni Sir Allen, okay po ba kayo? Ay, inaantok na. Did you have your lunch?
Yeah.
Okay.
A clean and smell good na mga linens and towels. So it is very important to have our linen or laundry area.
So, we have mattress inside the room. We have the bed box. Ang bed box in your frame. Hector, they call it bed pad. After the mattress, there will be a bed sheet. Pagkatapos ni bed pad, ano yung next? Bed sheet. Pagkatapos ni bed sheet, sige, sino makakahula? Ano yung next? Ano? The real setup in the room. Where is the duvet cover? Bakit siya naging duvet cover? Duvet or duvet in fill. Okay. After this duvet, ano yung next? Pillow. Very good. Housekeeping, once you become housekeeper, you need to make sure that you are safe. Show it. Yan din. Yan din. Okay. Ito lagi ang nakalitaw sa first impression ni guest, okay?
Good afternoon again. We invite everyone first to scan the QR code.
Hi sir, I would like to check out
May I have your name and room number, please?
room 634, Miggy Malyari.
Okay, sir, Mr. Miggy, I will just check our guest for you if you have a
I believe I have room charges from last night.
Yes, it seems you have opened the minibar and you drank a can of Red Horse.
This is the time we brainstorm. Maybe your idea is better than my idea. So be open in that one and be open to suggestions as well.
So I failed the brainy test, received a certificate, then got my room key card. Andre, Daniel, and I picked the room 318. With no hesitation, we explored the room.
This is the ballroom. Yeah, just took a shower. Here is what you see when you enter the room.
Andre's with his friends in SM Clark, while Daniel's with his friends on the other room.
Here's a big TV, a bed.
Complimentaries.
Sorry if it's a bit of a mess.
Alright, I'll be having my buffet dinner for tonight. This was the best dinner I've had this month of May, especially these cheesecakes. I'll be sleeping now. Good night. Good morning, Pampanga.
Today, it's day 2. I'm looking forward, but I have to freshen up myself before I go on my day.
Okay, I'm done. Andre is already down the lobby with his friends, while Daniel is still sleeping because he's the last person who got to bed. Here's my breakfast. Yum. It's one of the best breakfast time I've ever had, and I wish I could bring this back home. Then also the pastries are good. Figure out my way here at the swimming pool, and it's warm, relaxing, fresh air. Feels like someone diving true, just like the song says, you know. We are back at the function hall. For more info later on.
Will be assisted by me. Then sabay-sabay po tayong pupunta sa SMX to check their event area. Before we start our ocular, I'm here with our front office manager, Sir Alan, to announce the 3 winners yesterday for the review po natin. Also, yung meron sa design na parang pwede ko yung mag-grab doon ng any food or item, then pay nyo lang sila. Here on Parsley, we do have 2 main front desks. One is on the south wing, then this one is the north wing.
Mr. Miggy guides us through the restaurant and dining hall. Also showed us the staff room or employees only area, through the swimming pool, and the gym is right over behind.
Doors with fingerprint scanner can be accessed by guests and as an employee. Here's one of their big event rooms. Okay, time to check out. Goodbye, Park Inn. Hello, Museum of Social History.
Emilio Aguinaldo, he was here in between May to July of 1899, making the first anniversary of Philippine independence to be celebrated here in this town. Not in this house, pero dun sa simbahan na tinatawag. Everyone follow me. So now, everyone, the Museum of Philippine Social History is basically a museum about social history or the study of daily lives, the community, and the patterns of the society. They focused on showcasing
We will be having our lunch here at Ching Lilian's Reserve Hall.
Kakain muna tayo dahil alam ko gutom ng lahat at excited sa mga Kapampangan dishes. Ang mga pagkain na inihanda ni Chilian, roast beef, pero itong asadong matwa. Ang ibig sabihin ng matwa means matanda. At syempre, hindi mawawala dito sa Pampanga ang dish na sisig, biringhe. Sa mga handaan, ang pansit. Mga heirloom recipe ni Chilian sa pamilya po niya ay ang lumpiang kwaresma. Kaya rito Kapampangan Morcon, Kapampangan Longganisa, paksing demonyo. Tinatawag din po itong atsarang gulay. Mexico, Pampanga with Atching Lilian.
Na parang naalala ko yung lola ko ganito siya magluto ng adobo. Sometimes, nandun lang sa memory natin, pero pag hindi nabasa kasi yung recipe, nagiging alaala na lang ng mga parents natin. So right now, what we're doing, ang yaman ng Pampanga ay sa aming Atching Lilian, who will be able to document yung mga recipe na minana niya pa sa kanyang mga grandparents. So the documentation is important, this is important, so that heritage will be heritage moving forward.
Overall lunch satisfied? Atching Lilian's original Panisilos de San Nicolas. Here at Tita's Special Pampanga Meat Products for pasalubong. About this, also at Nathaniel's. I didn't buy anything. We visited San Guillermo Parish Church. It's one of the oldest church out here. Last day we arrived at Casa Esmeralda or Esme for our last day and a cooking demo session.
Dito sa Pampanga, meron kami dalawang lots na kilala sa sisi. Hindi naman siya, hindi mo naman malalaman. Hindi ka nakain ng atay, pero nakain ka ng liters bread. Try natin.
After having an exotic dinner, I just wanted to appreciate the outside.
Ayun po, thank you for visiting Pampanga and appreciating Angeles City. Sana po nagustuhan nyo talaga yung na-recommend ko na Mila's Tokwa at Baboy. At again, wala po akong nakukuhang royalty sa kanila. Just to clear it out, alright? Pati po yung mga naputol ko kanina, wala rin po akong ano doon. Oo nga, wala talaga yan. Siguro. Hindi. Ingat po kayo sa pag-uwi. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa tour na to. Yun lang. Gusto ko nga sanang sumama kaso may trabaho ako bukas eh. Awal na ba?
Wala pang
Nagsira yung friendship natin. Sorry naman oh. Grabe naman, mahal agad. Di ba pwedeng friends muna?